Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the form open and editing rights. Now act. First, verify you're signed into the correct Google account and that the form is the final version. Once done, click the blue Send button at the top right. Make sure to choose the sharing channel you need, link for general access, email for targeted invites, embed for web pages, and toggle settings like collecting email addresses. Start by copying the short link or preparing your email list so you can move to the next step quickly. Now decide how people will access the form and why that matters. A public link is easy for mass distribution, but you might restrict responses to your organization if privacy is required. For links, shorten and test them. For email invitations, paste addresses and include a clear message so recipients understand purpose and deadline. If others must edit, click the three-dot menu, choose Add Collaborators, and assign permissions. Make sure you set response limits or closing dates when needed to control data collection. Finish by validating everything. Open the shared link or accept an emailed invite from a different account to confirm accessibility. Once live, keep an eye on the Responses tab so you can spot unexpected reply patterns early and export the data to Google Sheets for analysis or backup. If someone can't access the form, first recheck the send method and permission type, public link versus restricted domain, and then confirm the collaborator list. One troubleshooting tip: switching to anyone with the link usually resolves access errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.